When it comes to absolute reliability, consistent accuracy, and optimal safety, Beretta is one of the best gun manufacturers in the world. Marksmen, sportsmen, and militaries around the world choose Beretta's firearms. And one of the company's most popular handguns is the PX4 Storm. This semi-automatic .40 caliber pistol is built around a modular concept that a pistol can be adapted to different needs without compromising reliability and performance. The PX4 Storm features a matte black finish that is corrosion and wear resistant. The double-action pistol has a 4-inch barrel and an overall length of just 7.5 inches. It weighs 27.5 ounces. It features an automatic firing pin block and G-model decocker safeties. The PX4 Storm has fixed 3-dot sights with superluminova, a Picatinny accessory rail, and an ambidextrous decocking lever. It comes with 2 14-round magazines for a 14+1 capacity.
Beretta has always made a really nice pistol. What I like about this one, the super luminous sights, the Picatinny rail, and it has an excellent trigger pull.